CapCut dominates the smartphone video editing market without a doubt. We all know that. But it is also an excellent video editor for PC, especially for content creators. The main advantage is that it offers a huge collection of ready-to-use preset and template, compared to other websites where you might waste hours just to create a simple animation. This makes CapCut a strong choice for PC user as well. So how do you install it? It is super easy, and I'll show you how to install it even if it's not available in your region. First, open Microsoft Store and search for CapCut. If your store isn't up to date, make sure to update it first. Select the app and install it, and wait for the download to finish. Personally, I prefer installing app through Microsoft Store because it feels safer. Once installed, you are ready to enjoy professional video editing experience on your PC. Now, if you are in a country where CapCut doesn't appear in the Microsoft Store, you can try to using a VPN, and you can try these VPNs. Connect to a region where the app is available. Then search for it in the Microsoft Store and install it. If it still doesn't show up, you can download it directly through a browser. Simply open Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Search for the CapCut app. Go to the official website and download the setup from there. Wait to finish the download. After that, just double click on the setup and install it. One important note, in some region, you may also need to keep your VPN on while using the app. Finally, if you want advanced custom animation like those used by Apple, you can create them in Adobe Premiere Pro. I have shared a tutorial video for that, so make sure to check it out. I'll catch you there. Until then, peace.